Welcome to another Paraiso Realty property tour. Today we're in San Juan, Puerto Rico at Condado Beach, which is where all the beautiful people come to play beach tennis and volleyball and worship the sun and hang out and have fun with each other. The best part of the beach is that we are 1 block away from today's property tour. So let's go take a look. Here we are on the corner of McCleary and Kings Court, quite possibly the bullseye of some of the best real estate in San Juan. This is the Condado Real condominium. We're going to go up to unit number 1902 on the 19th floor. And up here on the 19th floor, we do have 3 elevators actually come up here, 2 for people use and 1 for kind of construction or whatever other dirty work that might need to be done. There is a pool and parking with this building. The pool is actually kind of nice, has some nice lounge chairs, and does collect some sun from the south. But up here on the 19th floor, as we come out, we can see the view looking over Condado towards Old San Juan. I guess technically this neighborhood is kind of squished between Condado and Ocean Park. I think a lot of folks who live in this area want to say they live in Condado. This is unit 1902. As I said, we're up on the 19th floor, and as we come right here into the foyer, you can see a good part of the apartment. Already we're seeing hints of the water view that's off the balcony. There's the living room, and let's start here in the kitchen, which is immediately to our left. The current owners actually have done a bunch of rehab work, and I think this is where it's most evident. Some new appliances. You can see the cabinetry, the countertops, some of the accent tile work, some nice accent lighting as well. You can see the pendant orange pendants over the bar area. So there's new appliances. There's a washer and dryer here. It's actually a combination washer and dryer here in the kitchen. The undermount sink. Some of the cabinets. There's plenty of pantry space here, and I love this accent tile. I think a room filled with this tile would be a little overwhelming, but it's appropriately done here in the kitchen. Nice accent walls, adds a little pop, a little color design to the space. You can see the enough pantry space here. Remember, this is city living. We're about 3 blocks away from SuperMax, which is one of the better supermarkets in Puerto Rico. So there's really no need to stock up on a lot of your supplies. You can kind of walk to collect your food. It's the existence of city living. This bar here does have a little lip to it, so you can set up a couple of bar stools there, and have some little dining there, entertaining, perhaps put your laptop, a little bit informal sitting area. Here in the living room, we've got a room for a couch. There's room in the corner there for a desk. And obviously the other side of the room has plenty of room on the wall for some nice artwork or a TV. You can see the mini split there. There was a central AC system in this unit, but the owners took that out and put in some mini splits, so it makes things much cooler and much more efficient. And look at that view. Holy cow. This is why people want to live in this neck of the woods. Look at that turquoise blue water, absolutely gorgeous. Up 1 block away, you can wake up in the morning, see if the surf's up, head down to the beach, enjoy yourself, or you just hang out here on the balcony, enjoy your cup of coffee, and start your day with coffee, or wind down your day with a glass of wine or something. We are at the corner of McCleary and Kings Court. You can see that corner right there. Again, I think this is the bullseye of where everybody wants to live in this area in San Juan. Typically on that corner on the weekends, there's a guy who sells cut flowers, which is nice to have an elevator ride away. Gorgeous day in San Juan today. Out here to the right, that's looking east. On the other side of those high-rise buildings there is the Ocean Park neighborhood, which also has some nice beaches. You can actually walk down Kings Court to the beach, hang a right, and end up down there at those beaches. So this is a very attractive neighborhood for people that want easy city living, very close to the beach. And what's nice about this building is you're not too close to the beach. You're not getting the spray from the ocean and whatnot. And you're high enough too. You're not going to get noise up here. You're going to have plenty of space to set up your bistro table, hang out, and enjoy the view. This area is going to be shaded most of the day because your view is to the north. So absolutely spectacular views and setting here in San Juan. Again, we're looking back at the different angle of the living room there. There's your kitchen. There's the front door we came in. There is, other than the pantry space in the kitchen, there's ample closet space elsewhere. This is more of a utility closet. You got brooms and brushes and stuff like that here. You can see the hot water heater there, an inline hot water heater there. That's more of a utility closet. This one here on the left is, this is more a linen closet. And here we have the bathroom. You can see the floor-to-ceiling tile. We've got the toilet, bidet, and sink. It does have a bathtub, which oddly enough is very rare today. And I've got a lot of clients that are looking for bathrooms that have bathtubs. And believe it or not, they're far and few between these days. So this is becoming a rarity to find something that actually has a bathtub. So this has a bathtub and shower. A little added bonus there. And there's your pedestal sink. You've got nice lighting and mirror. So that's the bathroom, good sized bathroom. If we take an immediate right, come out of the bathroom, we come into the bedroom, which is huge. That's a king size bed. You can see there's still plenty of room for bedside tables. There's room for a dresser. We've actually got a window there that opens up. You see there's plenty of room there for a dresser. And again, look at that view. This is the view to wake up to every day. Not too shabby. Can't get enough of it. And you'll notice that the windows do open as well. So if you need some fresh air coming in, you can open those windows. Looking back the other way, you can see there's the closet. What I like is that the doors, doors to each room, the doors to the closets, there's all some, they're all kind of unanimous with their design and style. You saw the mini split there. Again, there's a mini split in the living room and a mini split in the bedroom. So good size apartment, perfect for one person or a couple. Again, let's get back out. This is really, really why people are going to want to live here. This view is just to die for. Can't get enough of it. So this unit does come with one assigned parking spot downstairs. There's a 24/7 doorman down there. As of June 2025, we're offering this at $449,000. I do suggest that you check out the Paraiso Realty PR.com website for availability and any price changes. Thanks for taking a property tour, and we'll see you on the next one.